Good morning, I'm Ashraf Boutahiri, mechanical engineer. I would like to show you a tutorial under CATIA and how to make a sketch. Going inside CATIA, start Sketcher, Ashraf Boutahiri, Sketcher, exercise 3. We go inside Sketcher, our plan. The part that we need to draw is this, so we have many dimensions, but we'll face some problems over here. As you see here, we have a symmetry of this element here 3 times, here and here and here, and as you see, approximately we have 120 degrees between this item here and here and here. Also for this part, repeated 3 times, 120 degrees from here to here to here, and so on. Okay. So the first thing to do is to divide our plan by this axis. So we create axis like this. Okay, we zoom out and we create first axis, and we use a rotation tool to make a rotation of it 5 times. Okay, 5 times. Why 5 times? Of this items from this center, and we need so 3060 degrees divided by 5 by 6 will give you 60 degrees between each item like this. Okay, so this is our plan. We are going to draw something this part here on this axis, and we are going to make a symmetry, and we'll do the same to the other elements. Okay, so the first element to make is the circles holding circles. So the biggest circle is a radius of 60. Double click on circle here, and we have just a problem here with this center here. Okay, we have to fix it. I have already a problem here, so we have to start from the beginning. Okay, so we need a rotation of this, and this is our center of rotation, and we need 60 degrees between each one. So now it's okay. Selection circle, and this is our center, radius of 60. So this is our first global circle. We need also a circle of 54 circle. Choose the center. 54. Okay, like this. And so this is our global circle, and this is our inner circle. We need also a circle that will hold this small circle here. So 54 minus 6 will give you 48. I'm going to put it here. Double click. Center. 48. Okay. Which is a construction element. So this one is construction element for this circle. Okay. And also we are going to need a circle that will hold this one, which is a construction circle of 54 minus 10, which is 44. Circle, middle, 44. Okay, so these are 2 circles of construction. And also we go in, we have this circle here of 20, but it's permanent. Selection permanent and go into circle. Selection the middle, 20. But we have a circle here of a radius of 10 built on a circle of 30. Construction element, circle, center, 30. Okay. And also, so we have this small radius here of 60, okay, built it on a circle here, so it will be 6, it will be 26 here, okay, small circle, construction, 26, okay, like this. So this small circle will hold this small circle here, okay. And after that we need a small circle here of 15, but permanent element, 15, 15, and we need to go inside to build this small part. So we have this small circle that will hold this small circle of a radius of 2, okay. So we are going to choose, so here we have 15 here, and we have here 4, and it's about, we can say that it's a radius of 10, okay. Construction elements, radius of 10, that will hold this small circles here, okay. And just to get a reference, we put the small circles of permanent element of 2, okay. The small circle of 2, and we have here a circle of 4, and we are going to build this small items of 1, okay. One like this, and we are going to connect it like this, okay. Small segment here, from this point, no, just, sorry, just zoom in, we connect from here to here, and we connect it like this, okay. Same thing, we are going to use symmetry here, symmetry, this axis, okay. And so here we need just a holder circle, and this holder circle will be construction element, and his radius will be 5. The radius is 5. 5 for me, okay. It will be like this, okay. And this element here should be vertical, okay. And also this one, this is why this axis should coincide with this axis here, coincidence. And we are going to trim this part here, okay. And we are going to just to repeat this item like this, repetition. How many times? 3 times. And this is our axis of repetition, okay. we select everything, control this one also, control this one also, and we define auto constraints like this. There is just some details about the going back. Okay, so these items are still moving, just rotation, and this is our axis. So the repetition will divide 360 degrees by 4, which is selecting this element and making a rotation like this. This is the origin of our rotation. Okay. We define auto constraints. If we delete this value, we need just to fix the origin of rotation. Okay. I prefer to select everything to make a global constraint like this. Okay, so here I can delete some values. This radius, this radius, this radius, and this radius to make it auto constraints, and I delete this part like this and this part. If I hide constraint, I can see my sketch fully. Okay, just to clean up. Okay, going back to my sketch, I need just also to repeat this element here. Global repetition of this. How many times? 3 times, and this is the center of the repetition. Okay, one more time. Auto constraints. Okay, but here elements can still move. Going back, rotation. This is the origin of my rotation. Okay, I select items here like this and this and this and this to make this auto constraint. Okay, so here I have fully the inner of my sketch like this. Okay, so this is the small part, but we need 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 times. So okay, going back to correct this, I need a repetition. This is my center, 5 times like this. I have to select everything to make a full constraint like this, and I have my final sketch. Okay, so what I need else, I need to draw this element here outside of my sketch, just in this position. Okay, so I need to fix this circle with the radius of 6, okay, on this. So I need a circle of 6, okay, with tangency here, but this should be a permanent element, okay. And I need also another circle on this circle, okay, like this. Okay, and I need to say that I need a segment here, okay, and I need the tangency between these two elements here, like this. And here I can move this part like this, but I need an axis which will hold everything, okay. So I need a coincidence between this point and this origin, coincidence like this, okay. So I can move my part like this, okay. I need also a small circle, okay, with radius of 3 here, like this. And I need also to build from here to here, okay, these circles of 10. So I came to this element here and I define this tangency, okay. Going back here and I define this tangency like this also. So this element should be tangent with this part, just like this, and so on, like this here. Tangency, like this. So this is global vision of my sketch. So I haven't defined the angle here between this axis and this segment here, and same thing here. So I can move my items like this. So here we need just a tangency between this and this, okay. Sorry for that, tangency. Same thing, it's already in tangency. This one is already in tangency. So the angle between these elements will define the other positions, okay. So I can say that if I define the angle, everything will be okay, and also the length, okay. I can say that this point is in coincidence with this axis and so on, okay. So approximately the shape is like this, okay, and the position of this point is like this, okay. It's approximately like this, okay. So I need just to define these positions. I select everything here and I say it's auto constraints like this until it became green. It's still moving because I don't have axis, I don't have angle between this and this, okay. Okay, so now my sketch are green. When I have to show details, I have many details that I can use. So I need just to trim this element here. I don't need this, also this. This is a global cleanup of the sketch. Just to zoom in, to delete some details, okay, and okay, like this, okay. Just zoom in to here, okay. and okay, so like this. And also this. Okay, and I don't need this also. Zoom in to delete what I don't really need. Okay, so but I can go back. Going back, when I delete these items, I can make them access like this, construction elements, so to keep the others dimensions like this. Okay, I need also to delete this element here. Okay, so but now here I am losing some items. Okay, going back, select this one to make it construction element like this. Okay, so now I need just to make here I've lost some items, so I need to remake them. Okay, I need the symmetry of this on this axis. Okay, and the symmetry of this on this axis like this. So now I need just a symmetry from here, okay, of this and this and this and this to make a symmetry on the other side axis. Okay, and also I can select here this item here and make a symmetry on this axis like this. But here I'm losing shapes. Okay, going back, so I need to select this one, this one, this one, and to make a symmetry on this axis. Selecting the axis and how many axes I have here. Okay, how many axes we have here? Oh, so also these axes aren't stable. Okay, so I need to define their positions. Okay, to say that we have coincidence. Okay, coincidence, and the angle also. The angle within this axis should be sorry, going back. Okay, I cannot see. This should be 60. Okay, and also the angle here should be, and this should be 60 to get a good shape. Okay, I'm going to hide dimensions. Okay, so now selecting this one, and this one, I will make a symmetry on this like this. So here I have my parts like this. So what I need also is just making a repetition of these items here. This one, how many times? 3 times. Okay, this rotation. This one, this one, this one, this one, and this one, and I'm going to make a rotation about this axis here. How many times? Two times. Two times. I need an angle of 270. But here things are still moving, so I have to correct this one more time. Repetition. Here I have problem because it should be in the middle. Okay, going back. So just 360 divided by 3 is 100 degrees. Okay, rotation from this to this. This is the final position. Okay, and one more time I should do the same thing. Okay, to this and to this. And 2 times. Okay, so here I just clean up my sketch. Clean up. Clean inside sketch. Okay, or just going back. And making them construction elements. This one, this one, and this one, and this one, and this only this one. Construction elements. Okay. Clean up. Okay. Select this one. Okay. Control. Construction elements, and we select everything. And we auto constraint our profile. And we have a final sketch like this. Okay. Hiding all details. My final sketch will be like this. Okay. We have some cutted parts, but this is final results.